In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Premiere Pro effects that I use in almost every project. Number 1 is 3D screen. First, I've imported a screen recording, but this technique works just as well with photos or any other media. Before applying the effect, I like to scale the clip down pretty much like this to prevent the edges from getting cropped once we add 3D perspective. Then right-click the clip and select Next. Now head over to Effects, search for Basic 3D, and drag it onto your clip. From here, you can adjust the swivel, tilt, and distance to image until you get the perspective you like. You can also enable specular highlight to give the screen a more realistic reflective look. To animate it, simply add a keyframe to the swivel, tilt, and distance control. Finally, select your keyframes and apply ease in and ease out to create a much smoother screen movement. Number 2 is Light Effect. For this effect, I have 3 graphics of video editing interface along with background. Go to Effects panel, search for Lighting Effects, and apply it to your clip. Next, reposition the light and adjust its radius until it looks right. I also like to tweak the surface gloss and surface material settings to make the graphic react the light more naturally. Under Light 1, I usually adjust the intensity and focus. Once you are happy with the result, simply copy the lighting effects and apply it onto the other graphics. Then all you need to do is reposition the light for each one. I also applied the same effect to the background, so everything feels consistent. With just a few adjustments, your graphic instantly goes from looking flat to having much more depth, giving your edit more professional look. Before we jump into the next effect, I want to thank Artlist for sponsoring this video. I've been using Artlist for my editing projects because it gives me pretty much everything I need in one place. Whether it's stock footage, music, templates, or even AI tools powered by the latest models, it's become a big part of my workflow. And now Artlist has integrated Gemini Omni Flash, a powerful AI video model that lets you edit and transform your videos using text prompt. It's a huge time saver for edits that would normally take hours to create manually. To access it, open the AI toolkit. Go to Video and select Gemini Omni Flash as your model. Then simply upload your video and describe the result you want. For example, you can change the weather in a scene with a text prompt. Then the AI generates the transformed version for you. You can also use it to remove unwanted objects, change camera angles, and much more, all by describing your edits in simple text. On top of that, you can upload a reference image to unlock even more possibilities, such as object replacement, style transfer, and motion control. If you open Explore Apps and select Gemini Omni Flash, you will find even more AI effects, hyperzoom, multi-camera angle, focus shift, and more. For example, I will try drone cam. All you have to do is upload your image, draw the direction you want the drone to fly, and click Generate. Let's see the result. It handles physics-aware motion flawlessly, so camera movement and object interactions feel much more natural and realistic. I also tested several of the other effects, and they work surprisingly well. If you'd like to try Gemini Omni Flash yourself, check out Artlist using the link in the description below. Now let's jump back into Premiere Pro and continue with the next effect. Number 3 is Sign Effect. I will apply it to this graphic, but the same technique also works with text, photos, and logos. Go to the Effects panel, search for Lighting Effects, and drag it onto your media. Now reposition the light and adjust its radius until it evenly lights up the entire graphic. Next, highlight the lighting effects and choose the pen mask tool. Draw a mask like this. And let's animate the sign. Move your playhead to where you want the animation to begin, and click on frame to create your first keyframe. Move forward a few frames, then drag the mask to the right and it will create another keyframe. If you want a softer, simply increase the mask feather. Number 4 is Glow Effect. This effect works best on a clip with a dark background and a bright subject, graphic, or text, since the contrast helps the glow stand out. Go to the Effects panel, search for VR Glow, and apply it to your clip. To remove the black background, change the blending mode to Screen. Next, set the Luma threshold to around 0.1, then increase the radius to spread the glow. Bring up the brightness and saturation just a little bit. With just a few adjustments, you can create a vibrant glow that instantly makes your graphic look more eye-catching. Number 5 is Shadow Effect. I use this effect all the time on graphics, photos, and text because it instantly adds depth and helps separate your element from the background. Go to the Effects panel, search for Drop Shadow, and apply it to your media. From there, adjust the opacity to control how visible the shadow is, distance to set how far it sits from the subject, direction to choose the light angle, and softness to create a more natural-looking shadow. So that's 5 Premiere Pro effects that I use in almost every editing project. They can make a huge difference in making your videos look professional. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.